At this point, he just needs to bring his toilet to his gaming setup.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you might as well just like bring, like, maybe like put like a chair and like or a table, like over top of your commode right there. You know, just put your laptop right there and just game while you're on the toilet. That'd be fun. Should I make a video on that, chat? Should I make a video on a gaming setup in the bathroom? That'd be hilarious.
Honestly, that
should I just start doing video ideas like that? Like the best gaming setup you can get for your bathroom, like stuff like that. That's where I'm at with YouTube. You know what I mean? I have no idea what to make anymore on my channel. So like, I'm going to start making stupid stuff like that.
No.
And I bet you I'll get like 1 million views on a video if I do something so dumb like that. That's what gets views, everybody.
Hey,
I'm telling you.